Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel shortcuts, and now if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the position of the icons, you should click here on this edit icon and scroll a little bit down. Now here we can see this down section with invisible options, and for example if you want to add the location icon to your notification panel, you should hold and drag it here to the up section by this way. If you want to remove some of the icons from here, you should just by the same way hold it and drag it here to the down, and to change the positions of the icons you should hold it and after that drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to save the changes, you should click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.